3 days and you'll remember. Your kindness for 3 years. Feed a human for 3 years and you will forget your kindness in 3 days. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you have made. If you want a different result, make a different choice. You are strong when you know your weaknesses. You are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws. You are wise when you learn from your mistakes. Don't feel bad if people remember you only when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is darkness. Satisfied life is better than successful life, because our success is measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind and heart. Stop focusing on how stressed you are and remember how blessed you are. There are only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday and the other is called tomorrow. Today is the right day to love, believe, do and must live. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. For things you can't recover in life: 1. A word after it's said. 2. An opportunity after it's missed. 3. The time after it's single quotes SG 1.4. Trust after it's lost. What's broken can be mended. What hurts can be healed. And no matter how dark it gets, the sun is going to rise again. Ego just like dust in thighs. Without clearing dust, we can't see anything clearly. So clear the ego and see the world. Conquer angry man by love. Conquer foul-natured man by goodness. Conquer the miser with generosity. Conquer the liar with truth. It's better to walk alone than with a crowd going in the wrong direction. Never believe or above or below anyone. Keep a humble spirit. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned and it given. Mind is not a dustbin to keep anger, hatred and jealousy. Beauty is the treasure box to keep love, happiness and sweet memories.